Hi! Today I want to show you how Nordic Media Lab can revolutionize the way you train your AI. You need a large amount of data to train your machine learning models. Hand-labeled data is costly and slow. However, synthetic data can help you overcome these hurdles and develop reliable machine learning models a quicker fashion. Nordic Media Lab delivered rich, annotated synthetic data and a digital test platform that easily results in 10 times time and cost savings. One of the initial use cases for synthetic data was self-driving cars. Synthetic data is used to create training data for cars in conditions where getting real, on-the-road training data is difficult or dangerous. As you can see, synthetic data is artificially created rather than being generated by actual events. We have a long history in creating synthetic data, or visual effects as we call it in the film industry. Where traditional 3D softwares have really long rendering times, we use a game engine for real-time generating of synthetic data. Unreal Engine from Epic Games was our game engine of choice. It is used for some of the most popular games in the world. And its graphical capabilities and real-time render speeds has made a huge impact on how the film industry is making their movies. eSmart Systems is transforming the way the world's leading energy providers inspect and maintain critical infrastructure. A vast amount of labeled synthetic data is needed for eSmart's AI to operate. Let me show you how it's done. This is a power mast. But the AI don't know that yet, because we have to train it. We take pictures of all the different components, and they are represented by a superimposed layer with object IDs. And then we continue to train the AI with annotated pictures. By generating labeled data, we can make proprietary datasets that really accelerate machine learning models. But you have to train the AI, so we made a digital test platform. A real-time simulator for testing and generating labeled synthetic data in a totally safe environment. We model our environment based on real data. Landscapes are generated using height maps and other topology data. We use photo geometry for texturing and LiDAR data for automatically make the models. We use IoT sensors, log files, and other relevant information to collect real-time data for accurate modeling of assets. These models is then combined with AI-powered analytic tools in a virtual setting. The benefits of a digital twin versus a traditional developer approach are huge in time and cost savings. Here I stand inside a real-time simulator. If we want to simulate winter, we can do that. We can also simulate more complex scenarios if needed. A couple of years ago, in the wildfire season in California, a sea hook broke and started the Paradise wildfire, the most deadly and destructive wildfire in the history of California. For us, that was a new case of generating a batch of synthetic data. The main challenge was to simulate and train the machine learning model measuring the wear and tear of metals and how corrosion evolves. Without our synthetic data generator, it would be an impossible case due to data starvation and lack of data and labeling. Together with Microsoft and their AirSim team in Seattle, we added the ability to train drones for power line inspection with real GPS coordinates. AirSim gave us the API for drone physics so we could train fully autonomous drone inspections. We can simulate flight plans and do proper risk management before we put humans in harm's way. The benefits of synthetic data is many. We made a complete ecosystem for generating training data, our metaverse for machine learning models. Nordic Media Lab delivered rich annotated synthetic data and a digital test platform that easily results in 10 times time and cost savings.